Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn live stream setup with StreamYard. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn live stream setup with StreamYard, start by logging into your StreamYard account. Navigate to the Destinations section in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find your connected social media platforms. Click on Add a Destination to link your LinkedIn profile. Select LinkedIn from the list of available platforms. You may need to authorize StreamYard to access your LinkedIn account. Once authorized, choose the LinkedIn page or profile where you want to stream. Now, return to the main dashboard on StreamYard. To create a new broadcast, click on the Create a Broadcast button. Select LinkedIn as your destination for this broadcast. Give your broadcast a suitable title and description. Choose your preferred privacy settings for the stream. Next, set the date and time for your live stream. Once everything is filled out, click Create Broadcast to save your settings. You will then be taken to the broadcast studio. Ensure your microphone and camera are functioning correctly. Check the layout of your stream and adjust it as needed. You can also invite guests by sharing the invite link. Preview your stream to confirm everything looks good. When you're ready to go live, press the Live button in the studio. Monitor the chat for interactions during your stream. End the stream when you're finished and review the analytics afterward. Your LinkedIn live stream setup is now fully restored and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.